Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a financial strategy with Navy Federal Credit Union, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your financial goals. Consider short-term goals such as saving for a vacation or paying off debt. Think about long-term goals like buying a home or funding retirement. Next, assess your current financial situation. Gather information on your income, expenses, debts, and savings. Calculate your net worth by subtracting your liabilities from your assets. Now, create a budget that aligns with your goals. List your monthly income and categorize your expenses. Identify areas where you can reduce spending to allocate more towards savings. Explore the services offered by Navy Federal Credit Union. Visit their website or a local branch to learn about their financial products. Consider opening a savings account for emergencies and short-term goals. Look into their checking accounts for managing daily expenses effectively. Research their loan options if you're considering major purchases. Understand the benefits of becoming a member, such as lower rates and fees. Develop a strategy for paying down debt. List all your debts from smallest to largest. Choose a repayment method, such as the snowball or avalanche method. Regularly track your progress to stay motivated. Establish an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. Aim to save 3 to 6 months of living expenses in this fund. Review your financial strategy periodically. Adjust your goals and budgets as needed based on life changes. Utilize Navy Federal's financial education resources. Attend workshops or webinars offered by the credit union. Take advantage of financial tools and calculators on their website. Consult with a financial advisor if you need personalized guidance. Stay disciplined and committed to your financial strategy. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.